But when it comes to candy, expiration dates don't exist for me. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day. Today we're going to have another installment of the floating head unboxes things. At least this time we have a little bit of color going on with a lovely rose applique. Looks like my grandma just stitched it right onto my shirt. Oh, that's great. Fantastic. It's already completely coming apart. That's what I get for buying my entire wardrobe from Amazon for very, very few dollars. Anywho, let's go ahead and get on into this unboxing. I'm going to be going through a couple different things today. I have some of my favorite, most special packages in the entire world that I will ever receive in the mail, and those are little gifts from you guys, and that still absolutely blows my mind that you guys are just like so sweet and kind and generous to send me something in the mail. You all are literally the best. And then we have some like PR kind of stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the packages that you guys have sent because I have been dying to open these boxes. Like, I am so impatient, and a couple of them, I have to admit, I have already opened, but I still want to say a huge thank you to everybody for sending these things my way. Please do not ever feel like you have to send me anything. Like, a letter is amazing. I love getting cards and letters from you guys. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect, so don't ever feel like you need to send me like a thing. If you want to send anything, a letter would be amazing. Alrighty, first on the stack here, well, it's not even a stack, it's a very disorganized pile like around me. So the first thing we have here is from Laura Coffee. Thank you very much, Laura. I cannot wait to see what is inside this package. I have no idea why I just said package like that. Alrighty, on top there's just a little letter. I will definitely read all the letters and stuff off camera because I don't want to share any like personal information. But inside we have an adorable little bag here. Alrighty, on the front here we have a little sticker and it says made for style and warmth coffee beanies by design, handmade by Laura Coffee. Oh, that's amazing. So this is something that she has handmade and it seems like it might be a business. Oh my gosh, I get it. Coffee beanies. Coffee beans, coffee beanies. That's literally ingenious. That is the perfect name for these. I'm not gonna lie, my head is typically far too large for regular hats, so we'll see if this fits. Well, would you look at that? It actually does fit. I'm absolutely amazed. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to wear beanies. Are you supposed to wear them like this, or do you kind of like let them loosely hang on your head? I don't really know, but they are absolutely adorable, super soft. Thank you very much, Laura. Very cute. And this is actually fantastic because even though it's April and technically spring, it's still snowing in Kentucky, so I definitely still need winter gear here. Alrighty, next up here we have another box, and this is from Carrie PUR. Oh, thank you, Carrie. Alrighty, we have a little paper here that says open me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look at this. Oh, thank you, Carrie. Oh, okay, so she says she sells Scentsy and she came across what she believed to be the perfect warmer for me, so that's super exciting. I've never tried Scentsy before. I'm super duper excited. So we have the warmer right here, and oh, I think she was right. I think she definitely picked out the perfect one. Oh, something smells real good already. Where's that coming from? Oh, that is so nice. She also sent a little wax melty thing in this shade. I've been talking about makeup way too long. In the scent Mandarin Toffee Treat, this smells literally amazing. And then she also sent a little car freshener. That's amazing. Thank you, Carrie. I have a feeling, yes, I'm going to love this. Look how adorable that is. Oh my gosh. So we have like a little sugar skull scent melter here. It looks like, I don't know how it works. Oh, okay, so this goes into the base of it and then a little light bulb goes into it and it melts the scents at top. That is super duper adorable. I love this. Thank you so much, Carrie. I tried to smell like the skull like it would smell like anything. Really quickly, I just want to say a huge thank you to several people who have sent me a couple of things that I've kind of already opened. I'm really sorry about it. I'm just, what's the word? Impatient, incredibly impatient. So I have already opened a couple of these, but I want to say thank you very much to Katrina who sent me this beautiful, lovely brush. It is so super duper fluffy and soft. You guys know how much I love fluffy brushes. Like, I love them. And then also Terry, thank you so much. I thought this was the sweetest thing ever. I mentioned in a video a little while back that I've always wanted to try this peach hand cream because it's adorable. It comes in a little peach container and the hand cream itself is supposed to smell like peaches, and I've always wanted to try it, and not too long, I mean very quickly after I posted that video, I received this in the mail and I could not believe it. So thank you so very much, Terry. I think this is just the sweetest thing ever. And then the very final thing that I opened because of impatience, and I'm very, very sorry about it, is from Megan, and this is an amazing package. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's in here. All right, the very first thing in here is this beautiful coloring book, the Tropical World Coloring Book of Adventure. And then she has also very kindly included some samples and a little Tarte kit here to include in a future giveaway. I think that's really, really sweet. I'll definitely put this to the side for like a 100k giveaway if that ever happens. I don't know, we'll see. And then in here she also included an adorable little bag, and I think she made this herself. People who can like make stuff like this, just honestly, I think they're amazing. You all are so super talented. I love the little ghosties on here. They're really, really adorable, and you know, I kind of like the spooky stuff just a little bit, so the ghosts I think are perfect for me. And then the very last thing in that bag is some gummy candy, and you all know I cannot resist gummy candy. Ooh. These are the octopi, and they are quite squiggly and long. Now I've been pretty good recently, and I've held off buying like large bulk mass quantities of candy from Amazon, but when delicious gummy candy is so graciously gifted to you, you definitely gotta eat it, and I intend to eat this entire bag probably tonight. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash that down really quick with some Diet Sunkiss straight from the bottle. Alrighty, ooh. Alrighty, moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box right here. This is from Joanna. Thank you so much, Joanna. You do not have to send me things. I see candy already. I'm really excited. And if you guys don't already know who this box is from Super Lady here on YouTube. She has a wonderful channel. She's such a sweetheart. You definitely need to go check her out. I'll link her channel down below in the description box. She does beauty and makeup stuff and a lot of unboxings, and I think you guys would really, I just hit myself in the face. And I think you guys would really like her, so go ahead and check her out down below. Ooh, look at these. These are absolutely adorable. The first thing in here is a pair of super duper cute cat ears. I have my standard cat ears here that I put on my little mirror, and I like to wear these during like get readies with me. And does that make any sense? Get readies with me? I don't think that's right. Oh, these are super adorable. Definitely a little bit more fancy than my other cat ears, and I don't think these ones are nearly as lopsided, so my head doesn't look so crooked. Then the next thing in here is a beautiful Hershey's heart, and this is just fantastic. I absolutely love chocolate, but I'm thinking I might have opened this box a little bit late. I'm feeling it might have come around like Valentine's Day, but when it comes to candy, expiration dates don't exist for me. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I just took a really quick glance at her note, and she said that she had heard that I was getting low on dry shampoo, which she is absolutely correct. I've been out for quite a while now. So she sent me 2 of her favorite dry shampoos, and that is just absolutely so sweet. Thank you so very much. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver for me because I personally don't like getting up in the morning to shower and get ready, as bad as that sounds. So it's really nice to be able to, like, you know, spritz in a little dry shampoo and go. So thank you so very much, Super Lady. I cannot wait to try these out. Alrighty guys, moving on to this next big old box down here. I cannot wait to see what's in here. Let me grab it real fast and I'll be right back. Oh, alrighty, this box is from Anna Elizabeth, and I literally can't even imagine what is in here. So very excited to open it up and see. Oh, okay, right on top we have a little note here. It's actually quite a long note. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Alright, first of all, you sound absolutely so sweet, and secondly, there's some things in here that she said would be great for a giveaway, and third, she has a list of the prices of the items in here so you could do it kind of like an unboxing like we typically do, and fourth, I think she made what's in this box. Oh my goodness, she did. Alright, you guys, what I'm about to show you, she actually made with her own hands, which I think is incredible, and just thank you so very much. This is the sweetest thing ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what she handmade first, and then we'll move into the rest of the stuff. She made this entire blanket, and it's so pretty. I love the colors together. It's so soft, like insanely soft. This had to be absolutely hours of work. I can't even begin to imagine how a person does this. I'm sure it's either knitting or crocheting or something, but I am not nearly skilled enough to even begin to tell you what it is. I just know that it's absolutely beautiful and so super duper soft. Oh my goodness, this is going on my couch for sure. This is so cuddly and so soft. Thank you so very much, Anna. This is absolutely way too sweet. Way too sweet. Thank you so much. And if that isn't enough, she also sent this box here, and this is full of makeup brushes. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look how cool these are, you guys. These are like multicolored diamond looking makeup brushes. These are quite magical looking. They have like a two-tone bristle here with some purple at the top, and then they have this really awesome like rainbow handle. These are so pretty. And then she has sent this entire bag of stuff from Ulta. She says this is the Ulta Beauty Spring 2018 bag giveaway. So everything in here has come from Ulta. Oh no! It unraveled too fast. Alright, so the first thing we have here is an adorable little Ulta eyeshadow palette. That's super duper cute. And then we have another little palette here. Ooh, and this is a blush and bronzer palette. Also adorable. Then inside, oh, that's nice. We have a little Ulta Beauty blush. Then we have an Ulta Beauty lipstick in the shade Nude. Then we have a mattifying face primer. I am guessing all this stuff is from Ulta. Oh, that's really nice. There is a pencil sharpener in here for your eye pencils. Then we have a little black eyeliner pen. What's this? We have a Plush Drama volumizing mascara, a lip liner pencil, a brow shaping gel. There's a ton of stuff in here, you guys. This is a juice infused lip oil. That sounds pretty good. Then there is a tinted eye primer, and the very last thing in here, we have a liquid illuminator. So this is an adorable little bag of stuff. I can definitely see some of the stuff going in the giveaway. So thank you so very much for all of this. This is literally amazing. You guys are just really the best, and you're so sweet and kind to me and everyone else on the channel, and you just really make my day. All of you have been so supportive while I've been away for so very long, and I'm getting emotional with cat ears on my head. But just thank you. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's sent something, everyone who's written a letter, everyone who's just there in the comments like interacting. It's truly amazing, so just thank you so very much. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move into some PR stuff real quick if you guys are interested in seeing that. If you're not a big fan of PR unboxings, you can go ahead and click out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so first up we have our Octoly stuff. Ooh, okay, I'm actually really excited about this because I've never ever had anything from this brand before. The only reason I've ever heard of this brand before is because Thrifthick uses the Guerlain primer, and that's literally the only reason I've ever heard of this very fancy brand. But this is the KissKiss Matte Hydrating and Plumping Velvet Matte Lip Color. And I thought what was super interesting about it was the hydrating and plumping matte lipstick in like a stick form. I thought that was super interesting and cool. It has an incredibly different outer packaging. It looks like golden ice cubes stacked on top of each other. I got this in the shade Wild Plum, and I'm definitely excited to try this out. I think it's a really pretty plummy color. It's a little bit on the fuchsia side. I thought it would be kind of pretty though for like summertime, doing a little bit more bright pinky looks. It glides on super duper smooth, and it is very pigmented. It is a little bit pricey for a lipstick though, so I really do want to test this out and see if it's worth the cost. Alrighty, next up, another thing from Octoly that I cannot rip into. Alright, so these I'm really excited about because they reminded me a little bit of the Stila like liquid glitter eyeshadows, which I absolutely love, so I wanted to give these a test to see if those are very similar at all. So these are from PUR, and these are glitter eye polishes. Very excited to test these out. Alrighty, so here they are swatched on my arm right over here, and a few of them are very glittery and very shiny. I would definitely like to try them out. However, my very first impression is that I'm not a humongous fan of the applicator. It's like a little like plastic paddle. Like you could like paddle a boat with it. It's very bendy plastic, but it's definitely just a little plastic paddle. I'm not really sure how well that's going to apply the product. I mean, maybe these are meant to be like put on with a little plastic paddle and then like pat around with the finger or with the brush or something, but I wish it came with like, I don't know, maybe like a little like doe foot or something in there. But overall, the colors themselves are really pretty, so I'm definitely interested in trying these out. Alrighty guys, and the very last box I have here is from PUR Cosmetics, and I don't think I've ever tried anything from PUR before, so I'm definitely excited to give this brand a try. So everything is individually wrapped up in little tissue paper. That's really nice. Alrighty, the first thing we have in here is a PUR highlighting palette. This looks very cool. All sorts of different shades of highlight. They're also like kind of different colors. This one's a little bit like yellowy, and then we have a purple one, and this one's a little bit more on the pink side. So this will be fun to play around with. And then next up we have a Profusion blush palette here with several different shades. Again, that looks really fun to play around with. And then finally we have a big kahuna down here at the bottom. I wonder what this is. Now that I'm seeing the packaging and stuff of this, I feel like I've seen this before at TJ Maxx if I'm not mistaken, but I'm definitely excited to give it all a try. Ooh, and this is really fun. This is a Mixed Metals Eyes and Lips Peach set, and this seems like a pretty nice palette here. It's like plasticky. When you open it up, it has really pretty shades on the inside. So this, I would hit myself in the head with it. So this actually looks super duper fun. Very excited to give this a go. I'm gonna have to put all this stuff to use in like a first impressions get ready with me or something like that. Alrighty guys, so I think that is everything. I don't know if anything else is like hiding around here because it's entirely possible. There's a lot of mess in this area right now, so if anything has been hidden, something that you guys might have sent or something like that, I'm very sorry that I did not get to it in this video, but I will definitely unbox it in another video for you guys because I want to make sure I give you guys a proper thank you for it. But for now, thank you guys so very much for watching. Again, I'm going to try to get back to regular videos very soon. I pinky promise. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too incredibly boring. I feel like I'm just still a little off kilter from not being able to film so much. But if you guys have made it this far, because I guarantee you this is gonna be entirely too long for this video, you are the best. You are the VIPs. Congratulations. But anyway, again, just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the absolute world to me. And other than that, I just hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!